Hi everybody, it's Stella, and today I'm going to show you folks how to use the chat function on Ensightful. There are two ways you can access the chat function. First is by clicking on the chat pop-up button that is located on the bottom right corner of the page, and second is by clicking on the chat tab on the top of the page. As you can see on the left-hand side, there are channels, which are basically group chats that you can form with members of your team. In the general channel, everybody on your team is automatically included, as well as your instructors. For example, if you ever have a question that you want to ask your instructor, instead of sending them an email that can potentially get lost in their inbox, you can send them a message in the general channel. That way, everybody in your group can be in the know once your instructor responds. Now let's say your team splits up into two sub-teams to work on the project, the design team and the business team, and you want to create a separate channel for each sub-team. Or you just want to have multiple channels to talk about specific parts of the project to keep your conversations organized. Then all you have to do is just click on this purple plus icon over here to create a new channel. And here you just assign a name to the channel, and if you like, you can also add a brief description of what this channel is for. Now that you've created a new channel, on the right there's a button that allows you to add members to the chat. We'll go ahead and add Joanne and Elijah to this channel, and now you guys can start talking about all things design related. If you want to talk to someone on your team individually, then just click on their name under Direct. You can also chat privately with your instructors as well. For example, if you have a very specific question that you want to ask them, or you're just looking for feedback on your work, Ensightful is a very safe and professional environment for you to reach out to your peers and instructors to have a conversation to discuss anything project related. And there you have it. That's how you use the chat function on Ensightful.